what you're looking at today, this is the next project, the new one, I guess. It is a 1994 Toyota 4x4 pickup, 4x4 pickup, and it's rough. I mean, it's seen a lot of miles, and so okay. First thing I normally do is take the interior and I clean it out. A lot of the times it involves doing what you see here, taking everything out and cleaning it. This one has a radio that works. It's off right now, but anyway, so that's bug spray you see over there for the occasional bug. But yeah, this is the bed. I've actually already swept it out, and this is the some of the interior bits you see here, including the seats. And as you can see, passenger seat looks pretty good. This is the driver's seat, also looks pretty good. Little tear there, which can be fixed. But I've soaked them down with regular old carpet cleaner. See if you see that. Yeah, and I've got my steam cleaner, which I'm going to pull out and clean this and this nasty thing here, the carpet. Now, this carpet's rough. I'll tell you that. It's a rough carpet. But, you know, it's better than buying a new one. It can be put in. It was in there and it looked pretty good. But this is the truck. I took off the stickers. There's some stickers on there. I'm not a big sticker guy, so, you know. Anyway, so this is what's going to be happening here. If you're looking at the engine, let's see if I can get it. Toyota always on the right. So this is the 22RE engine. This looks like a marine battery, which is going to be swapped out with that yellow Optima on the floor there. This battery is barely on, and I don't want it to destroy my radiator, so, you know, fuse box uncovered. We'll see if we can fix some of that. There's a lot, but good news with this engine is, look at that shiny brand new aluminum head. It's amazing. So it's in good shape. I don't know if you can see down there the timing cover, and this engine has had a full rebuild, which is neat. You look on there, the actual block is clean. Everything else around it is filthy, but this frame is rock solid. Couple of little dings and dents on the fenders. I'm gonna source a couple of these new ones if I can. And the lockers seem good, but if you look in here, I don't know if I can show you this here. Yeah, CV axle carnage. It's on both sides, so. But the drive shaft over here, oh, you can't see that, but it's brand new. Anyway, decent little project. It's gonna take a little cleaning and some doing. So even tried the wipers. I'm gonna try those. That's the master cylinder. Gonna flush that. And a couple of things to do. Check the radiator. But for now, it's time to clean.